love the outdoors. Danny had a great idea in episode 2 of Crib Trip. Oh, hey guys. Which reminds me, tune in this Friday at 7 p.m. Mountain on AMI or AMI Plus to check out the latest episode of Crib Trip. It's going to be a blast. Rubber's starting to hit the road now. Chill back and continue to soak in some rays. Can't believe that bugger went canoeing without any arms or legs. Not on my bucket list. Follow Crip Trip on social media, on Instagram at the Crip Trip, TikTok at Disability Buddies, and Facebook at Crip Trip.